Hi, I'm going to talk to you about adding a nightlight module to our basic nightlights. So once it is your nightlights assembled, you're going to want to remove the 3M adhesive from the little nook in which the um, nightlight clip sits into. You can do this with any, like a little, petty knife or something like that. I just use my fingernails here. So once the adhesive is all gone, then you want to sand with, I use P100 or grit sandpaper or less. So you want it to be scratched up a little bit. And then you want to sand your the face of your nightlight clip. Again, you're just roughening up the edges and helping the super glue adhere the surfaces. Once you have roughened it up, then you're going to add super glue to the little nook. And then you want to add the face of the clip to that little area, and you want to either hold it, and there will be a little super glue probably, slip from the end. You just wipe that off. Um, so you can either hold it until it cures, but of course I wanted to do other things. So I found these little clips that work very well for holding those on. So I just added these little clips. You could see I was doing another one as well. So I just added these little clips and set it, for, it doesn't take very long, just a few minutes. And once you come back, just make sure it's adhered, and then you can clip it into the nightlight and you're good to go.